Kediri, it's Java 2015. In Kediri, there are so many beautiful places. As the icon of Kediri city, Mayor Bismo Stage, Agung Mosque. Although Kediri is small city, but we have many biggest places. Like Brantas River, and we also have biggest vocational high school on Kiai Haji Abdul Karim Street, number 5. On Kiai Haji Abdul Karim Street, number 5. In SMK PJRI2 Kediri provide many facilities. And now, we also have new building that very comfortable. Space area for sport activity. Classroom also very comfortable, so the student can focus to get listen. LCD facility as the media of teacher to give the lesson. Laboratory of computer. Now, in SMK PJRI2 Kediri implement CBT program for doing examinations. Education information for announcements such as the job vacancy to the student. Library. Library as the media to the student for searching the material of school. The library very comfortable and provide many books department. And also counseling training room. And Al-Hikmah Mosque as facility for Muslim student and teacher to pray. For takeaways, in SMK PJRI2 Kediri also provide canteen for lunch or breakfast. Business center as media to train the students how to ask the good entrepreneur, and also the center of business service. Minibank, it also as the media to train the students, especially accounting department in Minibank, provide administration service to do payment of school. Receptions room, the place for teacher picket and room for a visitor in SMK PJRI2 Kediri.